Hi, editors. In this video, I want to show you how to create this linear before-after transition in Premiere Pro. For this effect, you need two identical clips with few differences in some details. To start, put one of your clips on top of other one, so that they align perfectly and the original clip that you want to become visible slightly should be on the bottom. Now go to Effects panel, search for Crop, and add it to the top video. Then go to Effect Controls panel. Put the time indicator at the start of the layer and click on the stopwatch next to the left. Then move to the end of the layer and change the left value to 100. Now add a desired line picture with transparent background to your timeline on top of both clips, then resize it to match the videos. Go to Effect Controls panel, put the time indicator at the start of the layer, click on the stopwatch beside the position and decrease the X value to put the line far left side of the preview window. Then put the time indicator at the end of the layer and increase the X value to put the line at the right side so far. Now you just made it, so to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial. Wishing you all the best and see you in next video.